What's up, everybody? Stixx Picks here, back with another video. Today, we're picking the flea market, trying to make some money, of course. And let's just get right into it. How much you asking on your Xbox?
40.
Would you go 20 on it?
Okay.
Thank you. It all has 100.
Yes.
Thank you, I appreciate it. How much in the book, Troy?
$5. I got a bunch of those that are pretty good coming up. I gotta look at it all because those. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, nothing like $30, $40.
How much are we doing on the guitars?
$5 each.
All right. Yeah. That's the one thing getting me. It should work, but look, that thing's like rusted right here.
Ah, yeah.
It should work, I feel like, though. Sure, I'll just do it.
Take a chance on it, I guess.
I'll take a chance on it, whatever.
Yeah.
$2 a piece.
How much on the PS2?
PS2, $1.60.
How much you asking on your Xbox?
$1.
$1?
Yeah, just the old one. Gotta go. Let me know what you want. Nothing over $5. Price to sell.
Yeah, I'll pay $1 for it.
This card for it.
Thank you. All right, we had to buy this game, guys. It's slightly scratched, but I have the guitar to go with it. I have several of them, but I have one that's like sealed pretty much. Put this game inside of there with the guitar, so hopefully it'll sell now. And I paid $1 for this console. I mean, there's no possible way we can go wrong with $1 on it. I could sell it for parts easily for like even 10 if I wanted to, but parts for this can go for upwards of 20, up to 30 bucks maybe. Hopefully it works. It doesn't have a hard drive, unfortunately. How much you asking on your PlayStation?
$120.
You don't really get too many people looking at your items at the flea market, though. That's more of a thing you should put on like Facebook Marketplace if you want to get 120, because that's about how much you'll like get. That's like the max you'll even get, you know. But if you could sell for 120 cash, that'd be dope. I just recommend putting that online though, or just Facebook Marketplace. It's 120. That person's gonna want to have to play that, like they want that, and they had to come to this flea market looking for that. And you have to have a what? That's a small percent of people, most likely. How much you asking on your guitars?
20 for the 10.
You go 15 for both of them? Crap, do you have change for 50? I can go get change for my dad real quick if you need.
Okay.
Give me a second. How much is the controller?
$1. Cheap. Thank you, appreciate you.
Thank you.
Cheap.
How much on this?
PlayStation 2? Give me like $7.
I found more of these for some reason at the flea market. I don't know why everybody in their freaking, I don't know why everyone and their mom has these, but 15 for 2 of them. About $7.50 a piece. This one is about 30 bucks or so, and same thing with this. So 60 bucks together, give or take. How much you guys asked on the PS4?
150.
No cords or nothing?
No, I did not bring a cord.
All right.
Cord? No, they're connected to my TV.
150 for a PS4 that looks messed up with no cords. I would rather just go to eBay. I think they're going for $100 bucks on eBay. Free shipping. I'll think about it. I don't know. Looks a little beat up.
What you offering?
I'll give you 40 bucks.
Put it on YouTube.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, not bad. PS4 came with cords too, looks like, actually. I'm confused. Why is HDMI thing? Like, it's an HDMI to connect to an HD. What is the splitter even for? Look, the HDMI connects to the HDMI, so it goes. I thought it was gonna be like an AVI thing to go into an HDMI, but that does not make any sense.
I was at 30.
Dad, you don't even
Look how dirty it is.
you don't even negotiate.
I wouldn't even negotiate.
You don't even
Look
negotiate.
at the condition. I don't want to risk it. The most I'd pay if somebody said something was 30.
We're taking some stuff from the Pirate. This wasn't worth it, unfortunately. Can you see that right there? I can sell for parts for 40 bucks. It's like a VCR, or I think it's a cassette tape recorder. I'm stealing his stuff. I'm stealing. We're back out walking around. It's fairly late. We got here and I just helped my dad unload pretty much. So I didn't really get to walk around too early. Got the stuff from my dad for the free. Makes up for it. We got those free VCRs and stuff. See, I always feel like books like this are like worth something. Some big old older books. The thick ones especially, but like, I don't know. Expositions of the Holy Scripture. It's an older one. Definitely an older computer. I was just trying to look at it, make sure. Maybe that older looking computer could have some newer parts, possibly make it worth buying. How much you asked on the PS1?
The PS1, I'm doing, if you want both of them, 60 or 40.
In the Xbox One? Or the normal Xbox, I mean the original?
Same thing.
Alright.
The ports and everything are in the bucket right there.
Okay.
Everything.
Alright, I didn't even notice that.
You gotta do the old school, you gotta slam them a little bit to close them down. Yeah. Everything, 150. All the video games.
Alright. Yeah, I'll definitely be back around.
Well, I do 120.
Alright. Alright. You guys hear that? It's not too bad of a deal. I'm not sure. There is a lot of like sports games there, unfortunately. That's why I don't really want all that, you know? Yeah, that's not the best profit margins because then there's taxes involved. I'm not sure if I'll do that, guys. That's maybe making, like, it's not gonna be a quick sale, so I definitely won't get that. Honestly, it was just something. It's not worth it. How much you asking on these guitars? Or are they not for sale?
Yeah, they're for sale. So it's this, and we have the drums too, but one of these is missing.
Oh, okay. It's just...
I'm doing everything for 20.
All right. Dang, unfortunately, guys, I don't think those work. I always buy those, like, eat instantly, but I don't think those are gonna work if I'm certain. At the same time, like, you can clean those. I don't know, guys. There's not really too much else out here, so I might just go back and offer 15 for those battery. They have battery corrosion, so see if they'll take that. It might still work with it. That's why I'm down to still risk it. It probably won't, but it might. Would you go 15 on it? Just cause like all of them have this little I'm not sure if they'll appreciate it.
Thank you.
No problem, thank you. All right, let's hope it works, guys. I mean, again, they have battery corrosion. It's like possible to clean it with like acetone, I think it's called, or something. So I can invest in some acetone because I do, you know, I always buy these and some of them do have like these battery corrosions. This is a replacement head drum or whatever. It goes for about 50 or 60 bucks. All right, guys, time to get breakfast. Like always, gotta spend some of the profits for the day to get food for yourself. You gotta eat, you know, you gotta eat. But now we're about to go make some more money. Maybe, I think I saw a deal on the way here. I didn't jump on it, which maybe just should have. It could be gone by the time we get back there. But I know like skateboards, longboards, those type of things, they're worth a little bit of money if you can get it for the right price and the brand, of course. This one looks to be decent. If I can get this $5 right now, I'll get it. Looks to be in pretty solid condition. But all of the ones I saw were brand new when they sold, so I don't know if this one's even gonna sell that good. Like your GoPro there. Thank you. I just got that longboard.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, dang it.
I just got it.
How much you get it?
I got it for 8.
Oh, that's nice, man.
I just got it. If you're here like 10 seconds early, you would have got it for me.
I would have bought it.
I feel bad now. I feel like that guy actually skates and he'll want it. I almost was about to just offer it to him for how much he paid it for me, you know? I could tell that guy would look like he skated. But I see sales of like $100 brand new though, brand new. This one looks to be in great condition. So if I put it for like, I don't even know. I'll put it like 50 for sale, I think. And that's the end of the video, y'all. Thank you guys for watching it. If you made it this far, you watched the whole entire video. So thank you for that. Put a purple heart emoji if you made it this far.